this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for your Steam account, or maybe even your email address. So if you have the application open up, we want to go to where it says your name in the upper right side of the screen. Go to Manage Account, and just select this, and then go to Account Details. So you're going to see your name right here, and select that. Now what we can do is, under your account page right here for Account Details, we can scroll on down. And we want to go to Account Security. And here we have the option to change my password. Let's select this. Now we can have it sent to an email. So we can just select this and it will send you a reset email. And then we have, I no longer have access to this email address. We can select this. So if you have like your phone connected, you can maybe get a text message or something like that, or some other way to verify. So let's select this. It says, please provide the new email address you want to use. What is your first email address used on account? And provide a phone number from your account. Then you can try to recover your account that way as well. But you should be able to reset your password with one of these two options. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.